feel her bumper. Oh. She locked you out, dude.
At least she had something, though.
Yeah, she had little ones. No place to hook up to pull her out. She said, "You do it, sir." Oh boy. Jason in a Beamer. Hopefully he put the seat back before he got in.
Yeah.
It's not wanting to go nowhere. She buried it. Booty shop. Alright.
Oh my. At least she's listening. Hey.
Damn. It's gonna pull us into the ditch. I can't see how close it is. Can you see it over there, Liz?
Oop. Curb, I think.
Okay, let's see if I can zoom in on it. A little bit mound that she pushed with her bumper.
Trying to figure out what that smell is.
The tires.
Yay, she's free for now.
Beat the window. See it. Whoa. There's her mound.
Do I have to do it while
Holy
they're going?
moly. Oh no, she didn't make it. Oh no. She was doing so good. Man. Oh my god. Holy bejeebus.
I need to not run over my rope. Not to.
ground out up there with her tires. Maybe her man's coming to help. She was calling someone. Should have got him running down the highway.
Oh God.
Yeah, don't let loose at the death, Jay. You won't like it.
I was gonna say brace for impact.
Go up the curb. Going back to the curb. Oh, curb. Maybe.
Aiming away from the FJ.
Hey, away from the FJ, away from the curb. Just walk it. Walk it. Oh, not the FJ. You won't like hitting the FJ. I can guarantee it. Oh, yeah.
Try and clear this out a little bit.
Getting a workout today.
I'm gonna get in my truck and I'm just gonna drive back and forth.
I told him I'm paying him. I ain't playing with him. I ain't playing.
Yeah. Thanks. You too.
I told him, I said, I see him on that streetcar. I'm a streetcar operator. I'm going to have some money for him.
Oh.
Got Cash App, give me your Cash App, because I'll send some money.
You got cash out?
I do have Cash App, please.
Do you got it? I know you got it.
Yep.
She's a teenager. She got it.
Oh my God.
So you drive a streetcar?
If I see him again, it's on. And I'm supposed to be at work too. Oh my God.
Oh
I
no.
just don't know how grateful I am. Oh. Lord.
She's punching at Marge. Punch at Marge. She is on the highway. And off she goes. Did she toot at that?
I can see better from my phone.
I should have been recording when we were on the road because we can't see where we're going. And it's not foggy. That is the road. It's kind of a late start on a record, but 2, 3. It's kind of fun being in the back. Wonder if this guy needs some help. Punch it, Marge. Go, go, go.
Disconnect. 10-4, I'll pull in behind you. I told her we could get on 291 and follow her, but I don't know if she's gonna do too well.
Can you move this hat, please?
Right.
I like his lights.
Yeah, they're cool, especially when it's dusty. We're rubbing. What's got snow built up?
That's what I was afraid of. That's where it's at. She's getting the fucking rope on. Still rope. got totally different locked in.
Jason driving the Escape. Uh-oh. It is not going anywhere. Nope. She's gonna be like, I told you. Jason's going for a ride. They said, nope, you can do it, sir. Teamwork. Oh, I can't get her face. Lizzie, our wiper cleaner off her. Oh, she's waving at